Hello friends, in this part, search user profile click and fetch the search user chat profile information. First go to the text editor. Here that is open the file messenger.js and then using tag write search user profile click. Search user's profile click and just copy the document online click document on click profile image user function and paste here. Now remove the profile image. Now go to the action messenger.php. Here that is fetch search users. Now fetch the search users ID, that is dollar users underscore ID equal to row within the square bracket within the single quotes. Here that is user ID, close with semicolon. Now that is user ID, insert in the div class, that is messenger search user inside class name. Here ID equal to in double quotes inside single quotes inside dot write dollar user ID. Here class name messenger search user inside click and then variable users ID equal to dollar inside bracket, that is this means current user ID, that is ID fetch, and then dot attribute inside bracket, that is using single quotes write ID. Now alert inside bracket, that is user ID users ID close with semicolon. Here that is messenger search user profile click, it shows the current users search user ID. Now refresh the browser. Here just changes in blur functions. Here that is input field search user dot value, not equal to null. Here that is some changes. If function, that is search users not equal to null, else just cut the. Here that is search users hide and chat users show. If it is not null, here that is changes chat users hide and then search user show, and save the file. Now go to the browser, refresh the browser. Here that is search users profile click, just show undefined, just save the file first. Save the file again, messenger.js file, and now refresh the browser. Here that is search user profile click, and then alert shows search user's ID. Here that is phmade that is user ID 1 and 2. So now it is working. Now go to the file messenger.js. Now just copy the paste search users function, that is AJAX request function. Just paste below that. Here that is changes paste search users profile, and also copy profile and paste search users profile. Remove the search users. Here action also paste search user profile and sending the data also paste search user profile, that is action. Here just tag the HTML data, that is fetching. Write alert inside bracket data. Now it is working or not. Here that is cut the paste search users profile, paste inside document, click messenger search user inside. Here that is user's ID, paste inside the paste search users profile functions, and then also send the user's ID to the server using post method. The URL is action messenger.php file. Now go to the action.messenger.php file. Here just copy the if is set, it is post method up to user ID. And then here close with flower bracket. Now here just changes tag also. Here fetch chat users profile and chat box. Now here that is sending the post method fetch search users profile. Here if paste $post inside, that is fetch search users profile, and also search users ID, that is $post. Here search underscore users underscore ID inside, that is single quotes. Here just changes $search underscore users ID. Here that is just write echo, that is output function. Now save the file. Here sending data, that is post method. Now save the file, refresh the browser. Now search users profile, click. Here that is sending AJAX request user ID to the server. Here alert shows search users ID. Now here that is remove the echo. Now here if else function. Here that is if inside, that is search underscore ID, that is search user ID not equal to null. And then echo else. Here that is echo make chat users. Here that is make on function, that is make underscore chat underscore users. Inside the bracket write that is dollar connection comma dollar search users ID, and then close with semicolon. Below the if else function, that is below the if function, here that is write on function method, that is function make chat users functions. Copy that, then paste it. Here that is inside the flower bracket, here that is dollar output equal to single quotes fill black inside the single quotes, close with semicolon. Here now return output. Here that is output value shows the echo function. Now go to the home.php file. Now cut the inside messenger write. Here cut the all the div inside the messenger write. First copy all the div image and text and cut the everything, and then paste it to the inside the single quotes, that is output. Here that is return the output value and shows the echo functions, that is output value in the echo. Here that is all the fetching, that is AJAX request shows the inside the messenger write. Here that is $messenger write dot HTML dot, and paste the every data shows in the right side. Here that is profile, users profile, click, and then right side user chat profile shows. Now go to the action messenger.php file. Here that is fetch the chat user top navigation bar. Below that write function make chat users top nav. Inside bracket open and close bracket, and then open and close flower bracket. Just copy the make chat user top nav. So here that is inside the output. Here that is using single quotes. using concatenate. Here that is just cut the make chart user top name, paste inside the single quotes. Here that is make chart user top name inside the bracket dollar connection comma dollar search users id, and then same copy connection and search users id and paste to inside the functions make chart user top name. Here that is just go to the search users and copy the SQL query and paste the inside the make chart users top name functions. Here that is just changes. Here select from users where here that is user id equal to dollar search users id, and then result everything is same MySQL query, and then fetch the user's image, user's name. Here that is user image not equal to null, fetch this user's image icon else user's image. Here that is below that write dollar output equal to single quotes close with semicolon, and also return the output after the flower bracket, return output here just cut the messenger right top name, and then paste inside the output equal to single quotes. Just copy and paste inside the output equal to single quotes inside the single quotes. Here that is paste the user image, username. Here that is dollar username inside the single quotes using concatenate. Here that is dollar username, and also paste the user image inside the class name messenger right top name image inside single quotes inside concatenate. Here that is dollar user image. Now save the file home.php. Now refresh the browser. Here that is search users, that is Virat Kohli profile click. Here that is Virat Kohli chart shows that is profile, sorry top name profile image and username. Now go to the action.messenger.php file. Now one more functions. Here make underscore chart underscore users profile underscore profile, open and close bracket, after that open and close dollar bracket. Here just copy the dollar connection and dollar users ID and paste inside that. Here just copy the query, make chart user top nav query up to dollar output. So here that is everything is same. Here that is select from users where user ID equal to search users ID and patch the username and user image. Here write output equal to single quotes, close with semicolon, after the flower bracket write return the output, return the dollar output, close with semicolon. Here that is make chart user profile, copy and then paste the, here that is paste inside the messenger right. Here that is paste the messenger right user profile. Here that is cut the messenger right user profile and paste inside the make users profile. Here paste inside the output equal to inside the single quotes, paste it. Now here paste the user image, just copy the dollar user underscore image, paste inside the messenger user right user image inside the single quotes using concatenate. Now also paste the username inside the bold tag using single quotes within concatenate, that is dollar username dollar underscore name. Now save the file home.php file. Here that is refresh the browser. Now search user profile click. Here that is right side shows search user chart profile information. Here there are two users, Dhoni and Virat Kohli. Now go to the messenger.css file. Here that is right side make to profile image round shape. Inside the messenger user right user image, write border radius 50% and then overflow hidden. Now save the file home.php messenger.css file. Now refresh the browser. Just save it again. Now refresh the browser. Here that is profile image shows round shape. Then search user profile click. Here fetch the search user chart top name and profile information, that is user image and username. Now make search users messenger search user inside. Here write cursor pointer. Now here that is finish the search users profile click. Fetch the search user chart to chart top navigation bar and also profile information in right side. So please subscribe my channel Subbu Tutorial and click the bell icon for getting more upcoming videos. And then thank you for watching this part.